So agents, let's talk about building relationships. I have here in my hand tenancy agreement, one copy for a landlord, one copy for the tenant. Okay, so I know these days, right, everything is done via digital. You sign your tenancy agreement, you stamp everything, also digital stamp. But there's a value in doing this, okay? You see, when you do this, you pass one to the landlord, pass one to the tenant. Most of the agents, what they do, right, is just to send the stamp copy, e-signing, everything is digital copy, including the receipts, everything. They send via WhatsApp. And that's it. Both tenants and landlord, they send via WhatsApp. Okay? They forgot to actually go further by asking more for reviews. When you send this, you already complete the deal, right? What you can do in front of them, straight away ask for reviews. If you have a Facebook page, which I suggest you must have as a real estate agent these days, Google Business Review, please ask them to give a review. Nothing less than 5 stars, of course. That's why you're actually doing all this, right? You're going there to see them and asking for reviews. Prepare some questions, ask them review. Okay? Just send them a link on the spot, ask them review. So both tenants and landlord, if can, you ask them to record a video, even better. Record a video testimonial is even better. If what I do is I will ask for video testimonial. Then I say, can you just answer these 3 questions? It's like less than 5 minutes of your time. Just answer 3 questions. Of course, you can customize the 3 questions. How to customize the 3 questions? The answer is ChatGPT. Okay, you just type there in ChatGPT that you're going to interview the client. Okay, what as a real estate agent, just type there the prompt. You are a real estate agent. You just close a successful rental or sale or whatever deal. You want to interview a client for a 5-minute video. Then ask ChatGPT that these 5 minutes, right, what are the questions that you should ask the client? Just give me 3. They will give you 3. Then you see whether it's relevant. You tweak it a bit. Okay, like for example, I type in ChatGPT, I want to ask for Google review. This was the question that they suggested. How was your overall experience working with me? Did I help make the process easier or solve any challenges for you? Would you recommend my services to others? This is for Google review. Then you insert the Google review length. Then you just type in ChatGPT, you will get all this already. And if the client say, Kenny, I'm very shy, I don't want to be on camera. It's normal. Just ask them for a Google review. Then then ask her and say, can you do me a favor by doing a written review for Google? Then use that 3 questions as a guiding question, send it to them. Always have like a shortcut in your WhatsApp business. Okay, if you're a real estate agent, use a WhatsApp business because there's a lot of quick replies and then shortcuts for you to use. You don't have to type everything all over again. Then you send them the link and ask them for review. Okay? Make sure that they give you 5 stars again. So that's it. Actually, at the end of the day, right, what you will get, right, is not just your commission, but also a good testimonial. Believe me that once you collect more and more testimonial, you collect social proof, your influence will also grow, and it's easier next time when you actually talk to clients. Okay, you can see my Google reviews, or people who find you on the internet, people who actually Google your name on the internet, people who Google your business and then see your face, see your business, will be able to read those Google reviews. So that's why as you do business, right, you must collect reviews, especially in this real estate business where we are offering services. Okay, so you must collect reviews. And one of the most effective and powerful moment to collect review is when you actually delivered the job. When the client is happy, imagine you giving the keys to a new home to the buyer. That is the best time to collect review. You give the keys to them, that is the best time to collect review. Okay? And then you collecting the deposit and ask the seller to sign the OTP, agreement to purchase. Okay? Offer to purchase or agreement to purchase, ATP. You collect deposit already, right, from the tenant. The buyer sign already. Then you go to the seller, right? The seller sign at time. You ask for review. Because when booking already means the seller is very happy to sell the house, right? So you ask for review on the spot. Along the way, got any problem, settle lah. If it didn't go through, at least you got a review direct. Very rarely if it doesn't go through residential. You should have done the due diligence at the start to make sure you go through. Okay, so I hope this helps. These tips helps. Good luck your business, real estate agent. Bye bye.